Food's name.
Whose name?
Milk.
Milk.
M-I-L-K.
Milk.
Milk means
दूध.
rice.
Rice.
R-I-C-E.
E.
Rice
Rice.
means
भात.
chapati.
चपाती.
C-H-A-P-A double T-I-S. Chapatis
चपाती.
means
रोटी.
pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses means
Miss
दालें.
दालें.
Butter.
बटर.
B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter
बटर.
means
मक्खन.
vegetables.
वेजिटेबल.
V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S.
L-E-S.
Vegetables
वेजिटेबल.
means
सब्जियाँ.
sweets.
स्वीट.
S-W-E-E-T-S.
S-W-E-E-T-S.
Sweets
स्वीट.
means
मिठाई.
हाँ cake.
केक.
C-A-K.